If your vehicle is not equipped with this instrument panel, please see your owner's manual for more information. The front and rear sonar system helps detect obstacles at the front, rear, and corners of the vehicle. The system is activated when the ignition is in the on position and the shift lever is moved to either the reverse or drive position. The system automatically deactivates at speeds above 6 miles per hour and reactivates when the speed drops below 6 miles per hour. When the object is detected, the indicator appears, begins flashing, and the tone sounds intermittently. As the object gets closer, the rate of the flashing and the tone will increase. When an object is very close to the vehicle, the indicator turns solid and the tone will sound continuously. To adjust the settings or enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings, driver assistance, parking assist. Then select the setting you wish to change or the system you want to turn on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.